Hello and welcome to another episode.
This episode is all about maintenance for dummies.
Car maintenance. Why is it so important? And why does everyone think it's something difficult?
Every now and then you need to check a few points on your car so it doesn't break.
These tips we are about to show you guys are very simple things that you can check yourself after this film.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Check your tire pressures regularly, maybe once a week. Make sure you check your car manual to know exact pressure on each wheel. Here, take this.
If you don't have enough air, it can affect fuel economy, handling and comfort. Check your oil level. Make sure your car is on a level ground. Pop the bonnet and look for the dipstick.
There will be markings in the bottom of the stick, and that's how you read your oil level. If it's low, you fill it up. You all right?
Check your washer fluid.
This is very important from a safety standpoint. If you are out of washer fluid and you have dirt on your windshield, then you are in danger.
Make sure to top it up with your love on it. The car will indicate and you have to fill it up.
Check your lug nuts. This is also for your safety, to make sure you don't lose your wheel on the motorway. This will end very badly for you if it happens. Your car might even get scrapped.
So make sure you tighten them with a torque wrench. Remember, if you don't have four wheels, then you have a reliant Robin.
No, this is not a joke. This is priority number one for a car owner. Turn on the volume on your speakers and turn bass to maximum. This way you won't hear or feel any odd noises or vibrations coming from the car. And that's how you relax and enjoy your cars for years to come, baby.
So I hope this film made you any smarter, because even if you are the most unpractical man, you should handle this small task we just gave you. don't forget to be safe out there and take care of your car. Thanks for watching.
I am practical.
Hello and welcome to another episode.
Welcome. And that's how you read your oil level. You alright? Amına kodum cevap ver.
Kaçtım ben.